What's up guys? I'm showing you a video here of a quick change for these cargo lights, these little T21 bulbs. I'm going to be replacing these with these, which are a lot brighter. These are T21 LEDs. Supposedly they have 1,000 lumens. These come in three. You have the two whites and the one for the brake in the middle. I already replaced these two. As you can see, they're very simple. You just pop them off, and then you just pop these out, and these goes right in. Let me just show you. I can't do it right now, it's just me here, so I'm gonna put the phone down and show you how it looks when I put it in. I mean, it's that simple. You just pop the old one and put this one straight through. That's it. And then this just goes right in, and you just snap it back in place, and it's on. Now I'm gonna show you how bright the two, the left and the right are. Just with my key fob on lock. Oh my gosh, that bright. That's how bright that is. The reason this one won't turn on is because that's for the brake, and you gotta be inside the car to press the brake. But I mean, this is very simple. These are T21s. I think I paid like $7-8 for these. I got these on eBay. LED lights, replacing these. But like I said, these. I got the one. I had to get 4 because they don't come in threes. They only come in twos. So I replaced that. And pretty much this just pops right back in. You got 4 screws, and that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick one. Sorry for how it is, but happy New Year. Bye bye.